Welcome back to the channel. Today's tutorial perfect for fantasy lovers. We will design a dark fantasy character poster in Photoshop. Think of a movie style artwork with glowing eyes, smoky background and mysterious lighting. Let's create it from scratch. Start with a portrait and isolate it. Add a dark texture background, stony or stormy clouds. Paint light highlights using dot tool and deep shadows using burn tool. Add a smoke and particle overlays. Create glowing eyes using soft brush on a new layer set to screen. Add cinematic color grading, teal shadows, orange highlights, and that's your fantasy hero look, dramatic and powerful. Like the video if you want to part 2 with the magical effect. Thanks for watching.